Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open any browser in your system and search download GTA San Andreas. Click on this link of the Rockstar Games official website. Then the website will open rockstargames.com. Here click on profile icon on the top right corner. A drop down will appear. Click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one with the simple steps. And to sign in, enter your email, then enter your password and click on sign in. After signing into your account, you will see buy now option on the left side. So click on it. Then a new tab will open. Here you can see the price of game. Now again click on buy now. Select payment method. Enter the required information. Click on continue option and the game will be purchased. After purchasing the game, you will be able to download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop.